Market capitalization, market cap for short, is simply the dollar value of a company. Market cap is found by multiplying outstanding shares by share price. So if we say a company has a market cap of 1 billion, it might, for example, have 10 million shares outstanding at a price of $100 per share. Market cap will fluctuate as the share price changes on the open market. Let's take a look at Apple stock. It has 14.94 billion shares outstanding. The stock closed at $211.26 on July 18th, 2025, giving it a market cap of roughly $3.15 trillion. It's important to note that companies can issue new shares, they can repurchase shares, they can even split their stock in any way they want, so that each shareholder at the end of a given day owns, say, 2 shares for every 1 share owned previously. Keep in mind that a stock split has no impact on market cap. If a company splits 2 for 1 like this, you now own twice as many shares at half the price. Compare market cap, not share price, when looking at individual stocks.